ever smell the skunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Did you know that both plants and animals can smell bad? Stinky plants smell bad to get helpful insects to come near. Stinky animals often smell bad to keep enemies away. Smelling bad helps both plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animals. Skunks are well-known smelly animals. When enemies get close, skunks lift their tails and spray a stinky liquid. Striped polecats are cousins of skunks. They stink even worse. Lesser anteaters are at least 4 times as stinky as a skunk. They shoot a smelly liquid at their enemies. Opossums pretend to be dead if an enemy is near. They stay still and let out stinky green slime. Wolverines make a smelly liquid to keep other animals away from their home. They also pee on food they don't eat right away. The smell may help them find the food later. It may also keep other animals from eating it. Meow musk. Musk oxen fight each other for females. Males use their stinky pees to tell other males to keep away. The pee sticks on their long belly hairs and make them smell terrible. Stinky plants. The corpse flower smells rotten. It makes heat and steam so insects far away will smell it. The plant's bad smell brings flies and beetles near. These insects are looking for rotten meat to eat. Instead of rotten meat, the bugs collect powder from the flower and carry it to other corpse flower. The powder helps more corpse flowers grow. A different stinky plant smells like poop. This plant's bad smell brings beetles that love poop. The smell comes from the inside the plant's flowers. Stinky birds. The stink bird mainly eat leaves. Food goes on its crop, the area under its throat, before stomach. Tiny living things. Their beak break down the leaves. This way of eating makes the stink bird smells terrible. Vultures eat animals that are dead and often rotten. The vultures are in danger to throw up. The stuff they throw is very smelly. Stinky birds. A type of beetle sprays a hot, stinky liquid from the back of its body. The spray can kill many enemies and burn people. Millipedes can't move fast. If an enemy bothers them, they curl up and give off a stinky liquid. Some millipedes can even shoot the smelly stuff. Other stinky animals. The common musk turtle has another name, stink pot. It smells bad when other animals disturb it. A stinky yellow liquid comes out of the back of its body. The mink frog also uses smells to stay safe from enemies. It smells like rotten onions. Protecting the nest. The greenwood hoadball lives in Africa. The female makes a bad smell to protect her nest. She sprays a dark, stinky liquid to keep enemies from getting too close. Good and stinky. Being stinky helps many plants and animals stay alive. For plants, the bad smell brings helpful insects. For animals, the bad smell may keep enemies away or help in others' way. Stinky, steam, spray, throw up, slime, and pee all help living things stay alive.